What are the most important times for trading? Stay tuned, we'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and I'm just going to do a real quick video on time of day. I've gotten a lot of emails the last couple of days asking me about the times. Some of the videos, they're not quite understanding the time. All the times that I'm talking about are New York Eastern Standard Time, so you'll have to synchronize wherever you're at in the world based on New York Eastern Standard Time. So most important times of the day for me that I look at, the rollover. So with my end of day, 4-hour charts, hourly, whatever, it doesn't matter. If I'm trading on my end of day based on the end of day model or the longer term time frame, I look at 5 a.m. New York time. So for me, that's 5 p.m. New York time, 5 p.m. New York Standard Time. That's 6 a.m. in the morning for me in Perth. That's my 24-hour rollover for my end of day model that I use with 4-hour charts as well. Okay, the second most important time for me if you're trading during the day is the Asia Close London Open, which is around 2 a.m. starting at 2 a.m. So what that means is that going into the Asian close, I will be looking at 2 a.m. to see if there's anything of significance on the hourly or the 4-hour charts. That 2 a.m. is a closing time for one of the 4-hour charts. So we also know that between 2 a.m. and 5 a.m. New York Standard Time is that often there will be a high or low for the session possibly established for possibly even the day or the session. Okay. The most important time after that is the New York Open, which for me is around 8 to 9 o'clock at night in Perth, and that's 7 to 9 a.m. roughly New York Eastern Standard Time. These are the most important times. So as Asia's closing, and I've just read something recently where Singapore and the volume into the Asian close is rivaling that of the London market. So important time frames, we know that there's significant volume coming into the market in terms of liquidity and order flow. And then when we overlap into the New York Open, that's when we hit our peak time until about midnight Perth time, which is around 11 a.m., 12 p.m. New York Eastern Standard Time when the London market closes. So if you're looking for significant times where the market is going to be moving, these are the times that you need to look at on your charts, depending on what time frame you're trading, to be able to identify when there's the movement or a high possibility of a valid signal being triggered into those opens and closing sessions. So hopefully you got some value out of today's video. Go back over your charts. For me, end of day, 4-hour charts, hourly charts if you're trading intraday, but the 4-hour and daily charts, rollover time is important, and even during the day, London, Asian close, London Open, the 4-hour charts can be very powerful. Check that out. Stay disciplined, stay focused, traders, but really pay attention to these times. They're very important in terms of the banks coming in with order flow and looking for markets. Know where your brackets, your highs and lows are for the sessions, and look for those markets to be making a move. Have a great trading week.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.